Welcome back to Airbnb Hosting 101. In today's video, I will guide you through how you can update your listing description. And as always, no fluff, just actionable steps. So let's dive in. I just want to begin this video by showing you exactly what I'm talking about when I say listing description. So this is the listing we will be working on today. And when people are looking at the listing, they see the pictures and there is the listing description. When I click on show more, there are a few more sections. So this is called listing summary, then the space, guest access, and other things to note. So I will show you how you can update all of these 4 sections. But one thing I want to highlight before I dive in. See this information that is appearing here, this is called above the fold description, which basically means people don't have to click anywhere. As soon as they open the listing, they see these 5 lines of text. And the reason I'm telling you this is it's extremely important that you pass on the key information in these 5 lines so people get attracted towards your listing. They don't have to click anywhere and they feel like they want to know more about your property. So let me click on show more once again. This is the listing description you should be most focusing on. 80% of your guests are just going to look at the pictures and they may just read the listing description up until here. Not many people go through the entire text you have written because these are free text fields, whereas the listing description, which is the summary, has a limit of 500 characters, and there is a reason for that because Airbnb wants you to be precise, factual in your listing description. So let's dive into how you can go to these fields. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, just go over to the top right. You will see switch to hosting option here on the top. Click on that and that will land you on your hosting dashboard, and in there you need to go to listings option here in the top menu. Click on that and that will open up your listing editor page. Now if you have multiple listings, you will see them like this, or if you just have one listing, it will straight away take you into your listing editor page, which will look like this. On the right hand side you will see your images, or on the left hand side you will see these options, and as you scroll down in these options you will see description is the option here. Click on that and on the right hand side you will see 5 different options for you to add for your listing description. The first one is the key one, which is the listing summary I was talking about. This appears above the fold. You want to be factual, to the point, and giving key information to the guest for maximum conversion. And this field has a limit of 500 characters. You cannot write more than 500 characters. Whereas the rest of the fields, you can type anything you want as long as you want. The only restriction is Airbnb doesn't let you write in any external link or a URL of a website. And to be honest, not many people read the rest of these sections anyway, but feel free to add as many details as you can. The more, the better. But listing description is the most important bit in this. Another thing to note is that the updates you do now will only be available to your future guests. But if you have confirmed a reservation on your calendar right now, they will continue to see your previous version of the listing description. As soon as a guest makes a reservation, the listing description and all of the details of the listing get frozen in time for that guest, and they don't change no matter how many updates you do to the property. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please follow the rest of the videos in this Airbnb Hosting 101 series. And I'm trying to cover each and every aspect of hosting, which people do find difficult to manage and understand. And with that, I wish you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.